clear out some space in the workroom, slide the dryer out, undo the power, and then we're going to take off these 2 screws so we can get this top panel off. Once you get those 2 screws loose, panel just slides back and up and off.
Well, I'm no doctor, but something doesn't seem right here. Either it's a cat in the dryer, my kids are tumble drying a brick, or it's just plain Dickard. Oh, no cat, no brick. Looks like we're gonna have to take it apart. This is a Kenmore Elite HE4 dryer. So if you're keeping score, this is what it looks like.